Hey everybody, so I got a new Gooseneck kettle to share with you today. This one is a stainless steel model. And it's from the brand Willow and Everett. This brand has been around for a long time. I know that they have done some other products. I think they have bedding products too. I want to say I had a pillow from them or something like that in the past. But anyway, let's go ahead and get everything opened up and I will show you this kettle. All right, here's our base. What I really like about this base is that it does actually have pre-programmed temperatures. I'll show you that here in a moment. All right, so overall, this is really nice. I like the stainless steel. And so I do like the stainless steel, and those who have followed me, I do love kettles. I think they work great. They're a great way to get boiling water or hot water that you need, whether it's for coffee, tea, or you're just making ramen with it. This one does look really nice though, and it's really easy to use. You can see that we got the temperature settings. We got 180, 195, all the way up to 212, and it will give you an idea for like black tea, herbal tea, pour over for coffee, your boiling, oolong, green tea. So you do have options that are automatically programmed in, which is really nice. And then if you just want boiling water, that's all you got to do. And then if you want to keep the water warm, just hit that warm button. And this will keep the water warm as well. Inside there's a spot that does show the max level. I actually really like that little tab in there. A lot of times they have it like on the side where it's a little harder to see it. But that one actually makes it really easy to see. All right, so I will go ahead and get this filled up with some water all the way to the max line, and I will use cold water from the faucet. It normally will take 5 to 7 minutes. It also kind of depends on where you live and your elevation and everything. All right, so when you place it on, it's going to automatically light up and show an option here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the boil so we can get it going. And then inside you'll see where it's got that little max little symbol there, and I got the water filled. Now I do have a stopwatch going just to get an idea. I am at sea level, so it's going to be a little bit quicker compared to somebody that might be at a higher elevation. If you are a higher elevation, you'll probably have to add a minute or two, depending on the elevation, of course. Just like cooking, baking, anything, you got to adjust your time for it. Now, a minute and a half, it actually started at about a minute. We were already hearing the bubbles bubbling around in there. And I'm not sure if you could let's see if the mic can pick it up. And that's at a minute and a half, so it is pretty quick. At about 3 minutes, we got a lot of bubbling going on. So that's at 3 minutes. All right, so 5 minutes and 41 seconds, and we are at a boil. But just like that, we have boiling water. It's a lot safer as well than compared to putting it like a pan on the stove. You could use a microwave as well, but this is a lot more precise. And you could set it and just walk away and come back and have your hot water, boiling water, whatever temperature you're needing. And then it's perfect to use for your pour over coffees, or you could use it for your teas. With the gooseneck, it makes it a lot easier for precise pouring and control. So it's really nice. And overall, it's just a really nice looking kettle. And then if you still have some water left in it, you could also hit your keep warm, and it will keep it warm for you. Now this kettle, the whole thing gets really hot except for the little handle on the lid and the little handle right here. The spout and everything is stainless steel, so it gets very, very hot to the touch. It's very hot right now, so keep that in mind. You can touch the bottom, that's safe, and you can put it on your countertop, of course. Well, that's going to be my quick demonstration of this electric kettle. I think it works really well, and it looks really nice. I just like the looks of this one. So if you have a kitchen with all stainless steel, this is going to look really nice on your counter. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.